So level building pad has been cut in here, and a driveway has been cut in going down here and then looping around to the right onto paved Rosebud Drive. You'll see a sign for me if you want to come take a look at this lot. You'll see my Remax sign and the neighbor's little fancy gate in front of this. This property is 9.1 acres. You can hear a seasonal creek going over. We've had quite a bit of rain, but there's even more phenomenal views up from the top there where you could potentially put a guest quarters. This is zoned A10, agricultural 10, so it's for residential. You can have horses, you can have animals, you can even, hey baby, you can even grow various types of crops here. Lots of options on this 9.1 acre property and multiple residences as well. So give me a call if you're interested in checking it out. There is a private gate code that I'll have to give out to agents, or I can meet you here if you don't have an agent yourself.